Hi, this is the changelog for JMF Pro version 1.3.0. I've added this major feature for the board layout, which is now color grouping, a feature that quite a lot of users requested. So what this is that you can assign a color group, and this color group is assigned after eliminate pre-start match here, after this. So the example would be, as you can see, this is green, black, green, black, green, black. This is the color group selected, and what it will show up as is, can you see the pattern? It follows exactly. And according to the color grouping will select a random skin. So it does not necessarily follow the order of the skin. Oh, sorry, this is the panel. It does not necessarily follow the skin order of this, what you have already defined here. It's actually slightly random as to make it not look so obvious. So if I were to hit play again, see now it's using white and red. Play again, it's using white and yellow. It will cycle through the active types. So if I say there's only 2 active types, it will only cycle through white and yellow. If I play again, it's either white or yellow. So it can be either or the same one again. So just now it was white, yellow, now it's white, yellow again. If I increase the number of types, it will select within the number of active types. So now it's black and that bluish turquoise, and so forth. So if I to continue playing, you see the colors still come down as usual. So it makes it not so obvious that you have already color grouped it. Fair warning is that you can change the color grouping by left clicking and right clicking. This feature is available since 1.2.2, which was not publicly released. So now you can click to move the choices, or right click to go back. So back, forward, backward, forward. So it's empty, back to basic, empty, cross, back to basic. So it's just left click and right click. So the color grouping is the same thing, so you can cycle through the colors. There are a total of 9 colors I've already predefined, the last 2 being yellow and slightly bronze golden color. And the white box represents that no group is selected, so you can also reset all the colors. So no colors are assigned, so it will be random throughout the entire board. See, it's random now. Random. Or you can assign a color group. So let's just say black, black, oops, orange, bronze, whatever you want to call it, black. So if I close this and play, oops, there is a pre-start match there. And you can see it follows that color order that I've predefined. And I wanted to warn you earlier is that if you leave spaces for random colors like this, it may occur the pre-start match even though you have already selected the eliminate pre-start match, because this random color assigning is after this pre-start match. So if you want to be really safe in assigning what colors you like, you can always make this like empty panel or a frozen panel, which will guarantee that there is no pre-start match. Those kind of blocking, so that whatever you predefined here, if you predefine no matches here, make sure that the others are not matched together. So you may occur this. The number of types is too high. So I'll just say, for example, if it's only 3 types, Ooh. Well, try to play with it as you like. That's one of the new features for this. You can set the color grouping. The other feature I would like to show you is that I've added a new script. If you go to the scripts customizable folder, there's this new script called JMFRelay. This JMFRelay is a new script which has things that the pieces and panels already have, which is the things like on pre-game start, on game start, but this is where it's being called. So for example, on player move, I've already relocated the script to call the pieces and panels on player move, so they are actually being called from here already. So all you have to do is just add on things that you would like to do when these conditions are met. For example, during a combo, you can specify something else during the combo, or when the combo ends, maybe before the combo is reset to 0 or after the combo is reset to 0, you can do your own things here now, or no more moves, things like this. And I've also made new game manager call. So those of you not familiar, you can actually call the game manager from anywhere in the game just by using this word called JMFUtils.gm. This is the reference for the game manager from anywhere else in the entire script. So you don't need to have the game object, find, look for game manager panel, that kind of things. This is already the game manager. So you can say JMFUtils.gm board, and then you can find your X and Y if you have it. The other thing that I've added is also JMFUtils.winning conditions, which is abbreviated WC, so that because winning conditions is the place where all your game checkings is there, whether the game has ended or whether the panels and there's any more shaded things like that, or the scores, no, not the scores, but the timer and so forth are there. So if you need access to the winning conditions from your own script, you can call JMFUtils.wc. So this can be accessed anywhere in your own script, and that is basically most of the major changes in this new version. Aside from the fact, small changes like the editing's camera, I've already set it to inherit the config from the main camera, so that if you change the main camera, most of the time it will change automatically with this inheritance already. And yep, that's about it. I just added one more boolean here, which is called moving resets combo. So you can check this on and off, which means that when the player moves, it will reset the combo to 0. So if you uncheck this, moving will not reset the combo. So that's the only new boolean there on the game manager panel, aside from the new color grouping. Thanks.